morning children. Today I am going to start you the first lesson of our term 2. The first lesson of our term 2. What is the title of our first lesson? Rita's Nest. Rita's Nest. So in the warm up section they have asked us name some birds that you know. You have to write the names of some birds like parrot, pigeon and the bird's name. Whatever the bird's name that you know, you have to write in these 4 lines. Okay, that is our warm up section. Let us see the lesson. Rita's bedroom was upstairs. Where is Rita's bedroom? It is on upstairs, means above. A big tree grew outside her window. A big tree is growing outside the window of the Rita's bedroom. Okay. So one branch of the tree almost touched her window. See, one branch is touching her window. It is nearer to her window. One branch is very nearer to the Rita's window. So what happened? One day, Rita saw a sparrow making a nest in the tree. What is meant by nest? Nest is nothing but a bird's home. A bird's home is known as nest, right? So one day what happened? Rita saw the sparrow. See, it is a sparrow, right? It is making a nest that can be seen by the Rita. So what happened? The sparrow used bits of twigs to make the nest. See, twigs are nothing but these ropes, these small ropes. That means the branches that doesn't have any leaves. Those are nothing but twigs. The sparrow used the twigs to make its nest. It used the mud to hold the nest together. As you know what is meant by mud. So along with the twigs, it also used the mud to build its house. So it put grass in the nest to make it soft. To make it soft, first the sparrow made a nest, and that she put some grass to make it soft. So soon the little nest was done. So in this way the bird built her nest and the nest was ready. So what happened next? The nest is very pretty. It looks like a little brown cup sitting in my tree, thought Rita. What did Rita has thought? She thinks that the nest was so pretty. She thinks that a brown cup is sitting on her tree. In this way she imagined and she liked the nest very much. So what happened next? The sparrow laid 5 eggs in the nest. The sparrow has laid how many eggs? 5 eggs. Look at this here, 5 eggs. She laid the 5 eggs. So what happened? Day after day she sat on her eggs to keep them warm. To keep all the eggs warm, she sat on that eggs. First the sparrow laid the 5 eggs. After that, to keep those eggs warm, she sat on that eggs. Okay. So a few weeks later, what happened a few weeks later? A few weeks later, Rita heard a strange sound. What happened? See, the bird has came, I think. So a few weeks later, Rita heard some strange sound. It was coming from the tree outside her window. Where does the sound comes from? The sound comes from the window nearer to her room. The eggs had hatched. Hatched means, what does the hatched means? When an egg breaks and it allows the baby bird to come out. See, when the sparrow laid some eggs, right? Those eggs are broken and a little bird comes out from that egg. Those process is nothing but hatched. Okay. 5 teeny sparrows were in the nest. How many eggs the sparrow laid? 5 eggs. From each egg, 5 teeny sparrows were coming out. Their eyes were still closed. They had only a few soft feathers. So what happened? It is very baby. Little ones, right? Just they have born. So their eyes were still closed. But they have small soft feathers. Okay. So Rita ran downstairs shouting the eggs had hatched. Come see my baby birds. How happy she was. Every day Rita watched the nest. Baby birds are very hungry and noisy, thought Rita. So what happened? She came down to the downstairs and she shouted. The eggs, that means the birds were come out of the eggs, and she thought that the birds were hungry and noisy. So what happened? They began to get feathers. They moved around the nest more. So they grew up and they have got their feathers and they are flapping their wings, means moving. They are moving their wings. And she think that I think the baby birds are getting ready to fly, said the Rita. So Rita thought that the baby birds got their wings. So they are moving here and around the nest. So the Rita has thought that now the birds were ready to fly. Rita was right. One day the nest was empty. Her birds were so one day what happened, the nest was so empty because the birds has got their wings, right? So they fly. So Rita sat by the window feeling sad. While she sat there, the birds came back. They had not gone after all. Rita told her brother what she had seen. You were right, Rita, he said. So what happened? So by the evening they went to their homes. So after all they had not gone. So what happened? They are not ready to go yet. They are still learning to fly, but soon they will fly away and not come back. So Rita has learned one thing. She said what she has seen to her brother. What she has seen, that she has told to her brother. Okay. So her brother is saying that they are learning to fly. How to fly they are learning. But soon if they learn everything, they will fly to another place. Right. So I do not want them to go, said Rita sadly. So Rita wants to keep all of them. She doesn't want the birds to go. So I know, but they can't stay here all the time. They have to be off doing other things, he said. Her brother is saying to Rita that they can't be stay for so long. They to have their purpose. They to have their work. So Rita knew he was right. Well, maybe another sparrow will build a nest in my tree next year, she said. So what she has thought, maybe the next year the another sparrow will come and will build their nests. So in this way Rita is enjoying the bird's nest and she is observing the sparrow's life. Okay. So children, hope you understand the lesson. Now the reading session. So you have to read the lesson along with me or after me. Okay. Rita's nest. Rita's bedroom was upstairs. A big tree grew outside her window. One branch of the tree almost touched her window. One day, Rita saw a sparrow making a nest in the tree. The sparrow used bits of twigs to make the nest. It used mud to hold the nest. Together, it put grass in the nest to make it soft. Soon the little nest was done. The nest is very pretty. It looks like a little brown cup sitting in my tree, thought Rita. The sparrow laid 5 eggs in the nest. The sparrow laid 5 eggs in the nest. Day after day, she sat on her eggs to keep them warm. A few weeks later, Rita heard a strange sound. It was coming from the tree outside her window. The eggs had hatched. 5 teeny sparrows were in the nest. Their eyes were still closed. They had only a few soft feathers. Rita ran downstairs, shouting, "The eggs hatched! Come see my baby birds!" How happy she was! Every day, Rita watched the nest. Baby birds are very hungry and noisy, thought Rita. They began to get feathers. They moved around the nest more. They are flapping their wings. I think the baby birds are getting ready to fly, said Rita. Rita was right. One day the nest was empty. Her birds were gone. Rita sat by the window feeling sad. While she sat there, the birds came back. They had not gone after all. Rita told her brother what she had seen. "You were right, Rita," he said. "They are not ready to go yet. They are still learning to fly. But soon they will fly away and not come back." "I do not want them to go," said Rita sadly. "I know, but they can't stay here all the time. They have to be off doing other things," he said. Rita knew he was right. "Well, maybe another sparrow will build a house in my tree next year," she said. So children, you must practice how to read. Okay, I hope you understand the lesson, and I want you to read the lesson at least 2 times. You have to learn the reading part also. Okay, let us see our next section. So our next section is new words. Nest, N-E-S-T, nest. You must learn the spellings of these new words and along with the meanings also. Okay. Nest, home of a bird. Home of a bird is nothing but nest. Twigs, small leafless branches of tree. I have already shown you. See, these all are twigs. Okay. Strange means not usual. Not usual, that is different from the usual thing. Okay. So hatched, when an egg breaks and allows a baby bird to come out, then that is called hatched. Okay. Flapping means moving up and down. The birds were flagging their wings. They move their wings. Okay. So our next section is understanding the text. We have to answer these questions. I have given these answers in the CW as well. Now I will read. Who is the story about? Who is the story about? The Rita and the sparrow's nest. The story is all about the Rita and the sparrow's nest. What did Rita see one day? What did Rita has seen one day? She has seen that the bird is building a nest nearby her window tree. What did the sparrow sit? Why did the sparrow sit on the eggs? Why did the sparrow has sat on the eggs? Why do you think so? The sparrow gave warmth to that eggs. In that purpose, the sparrow has sat on the eggs. What strange sound did Rita hear? What did the strange sound it heard? It comes from the baby eggs while they hatched. While they hatched, she heard that sound. The sparrows were in the nest and they make that sound. They come out from that egg. So that is the strange sound that Rita had heard. Why did Rita feel so sad? Why did Rita feel sad? Why did she feel so sad? Why she is so sad? Because the birds learn how to fly. One day they will move from their nest. So Rita thought they will gone out one day. So she felt very sad. Why could the baby birds not stay at the nest all the time? Why could the baby birds not stay at the nest all the time? Why so? Because they learned how to fly. They are learning how to fly so that they could not stay all the time in the nest. Okay. So read this sentence from the story and answer the questions. Baby birds are very hungry and noisy. Who thought so? Rita. What are the other changes that happened to the baby birds? First, the sparrow gave worm. Then they hatched and they didn't even open their eyes. They have soft feathers. So all these changes will happen to the baby birds. But soon they will fly away and not come back. Who said these words and to whom? Rita's brother said these words to Rita. How did the listener react to the above words? How did we react? Yes, it is a true fact. So children, you must practice the video and you must read the lesson at least 2 times and you have to write your own answers for these 2 sections. Okay. This I will be giving these question and answers on your CW. Okay. Practice it. Thank you. Hope you understand the lesson and read the spellings of new words and their meanings. This is your homework. You have to write the new words and their meanings. Okay. This is your homework. You have to write it 1 time and you have to send me. Thank you.